Another thing that I realized later on was that we had teens waiting outside for us to open the doors. At lock-ins, I often find myself looking for paper. Where is the paperwork on this teen? I had no, they didn't have parents. I had no idea where they came from. So you might wonder, how could I miss that some of these teens were not part of the congregation? Well, here's the thing. Teens are good at hiding things. And they're good at hiding sometimes if they don't have a stable home. Teens are good at couch surfing. They stay with friends. They have sleepovers. They sleep in couches here and there. And some join sports that have showers and lockers and free meals at school. So some are homeless and some are not. Some rather just not go home. Either way, you're not going to know about it until they want to share with you. So as we started opening earlier, we started having different programming, but just games to play. And I realized this was an opportunity to connect. So our scheduling involved now pre-service, post-service, mid-service. And at one point, we had a teen come in and play the guitar in the background. So we were having like a jam session with typical cafe hangout, playing chess and all kinds of stuff. Here's the deal. If you're there for the cool stuff and silly things, then they will know they can speak to you about serious things. So when they reach out, they know they can trust you because you're there. And they know that you really miss them when they're not. If you have a large youth ministry, it's easy to miss them. But if you have volunteers around, it can help you keep track of them.